Number 8, pass to number number 37. Dahanap na papasanak na si number 7. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 37. Jump shot for 2 points.
Tingin ko lang tayo may laro. Wala ka. May event tawag ito.
Number 27. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 37. Title steal. Number 19. Pass break to number 1. Outside.
Ayaw nila.
Vipers team ball.
Ayaw na.
Okay na ba yan? Wala? Ito yung number sa gilid.
Number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 24. Bitawan pero nakuha ni number 27. Steal. Pero nakuha pa rin ng Vipers team ang bola. Number jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 7 ang bola. Cycle steal. Number 7. Pass to number 5. Take shot. Take shot again. Pass to number 1. Hubahid. Turn to shoot. Number 1. Hubahid. Jump shot. No good. Ayan na number 17. Pass to number 24. Back. Pass to number 8. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 1 ng Titans team. Hubahid. Pass to number 19. Number 19.
Ano yan ito eh? Kapag ni FPJ.
Jump shot. No good. Follow up ni number 7 for 2 points.
Ito may pati dyan eh.
Number 8.
Hindi nagpapaan niya.
Pass to number 7.
7 ba? 7.
6 to shoot. Number 8 jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 1 Hubahid. Titans steal. Hubahid. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 15. Didiretso na. Nilayap. No good. Nakuha ni number 7. Jump shot. No good again. Number 7 again. No good. Rebound by number 27. Pass to number 5.
Lahat ng pangalan.
Ay. Pass to number 19. Ibigay kay number 1. Pass to number 5 again. Jump shot. No good. Walang Vipers team ni number 15. Binaba na ang bola ni number 24.
Cancel kaya tayo bukas?
Pass to number 7. Number 7. Turn to shoot. Steal by number 1. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Pass to number 5. Easy 2 points by number 5. Time out. Ball for steal. In favor of Titans steal. Okay, inbound, number 24, pass to number 15. Number 15, binababa na ang bola. Pass to number 7. Big shot. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 37. Titans steal. Number 37. Pass to number 5. Number 5, pass to number 7. Jump shot for 2 points. By number 7, Balyardo. Number 15, Valenzuela. Pass to number 7. Ibigay ka number 27. Palustre na good ang tirang spot. Steal by number 3. Nakakuha ng foul. Pushing foul by number 7. First personal foul, first team foul. Inbound, number 27, pass to number 15. Outside, Titans team ball. Number 5, pass to number 19. Number 19, dribble the ball. Pass to number 5 again. Jump shot. Low good. Rebound by number 15. Valenzuela, pass to number 3. Jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 7, pass to number 5. Anti-Presto. Number 19, jump shot. No good. Pass to number 3. Oh. Outside. Titans team ball.
Kaibigan na kayo, brother, wala pa.
Inbound, number 37, pass to number 19.
Puro papawin.
Number 19, back to number 27, Pineda.
Lagi nga buo.
Pass to number 7, Robbery violation.
Tuloy pa rin siya.
Yan ang tawag ng ating official referee, si Kagawa.
Saan?
Batangas.
Tayo. Sabihin mo.
Number 15, binababa ng bola.
Maraming teams.
Valenzuela,
Maglaki ang
pass to number 24, Steele. Nakuha ni number 7 ang bola. Pass to number 5, pass to number 7. Binigay kay number 19, tinira for 2 points by number 19.
Ang BBG kayo? Oo. PJ. Mabuno po yun.
Number 7, binaba ng bola. Ocheta,
Kumita mo, tuloy coaching. Ay, kita na ulit.
pass to
Lahat eh.
Alipiado. Alipiado, dribble the ball. And to shoot. Alipiado, 6 to shoot. Number 7, Ocheta, jump shot. No good.
Magbabayad
Nakuha ni number 37, ang Titans team. Pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 19. Ken Bray.
Kami apelido ng Temport. Pala.
Henry, pass to number 5. Oh, step on the line. Ang referee natin, meron 365,000 megapixel yan. Subdivision rock. Inbound, number
28 ba yun? 27. Kamag-anak niya, di ba? 37 tsaka 7.
oh,
Hindi sila kamag-anak. 27. Takin! Pakisabit ha.
tuck in. All players tuck in. Number 15, binaba ang bola. Pass to number 7. Number 7, Ocheta. Pass to number 3. Oh. Number 13, foul. First personal foul, second team foul.
Brought to you by Ruba.
Inbound. Number 24, Junction, no good. Rebound by number 3, Titans team. Number 3, pass to number 16, Glock 9. Number 30, back to number 16, Glock 9, jump shot. No good. Awali number 13, Pinira for 2 points. Ganda na pagtalapan. Inbound, number 28, Quintino.
Pula dati.
Pass to number 3. Number 3, dribble the ball. Alipiano. Pass to number 15, Valenzuela. Pass to number 24. Pinira no good. Nabitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni number 13 at Titans steal. Number 30, binaba na ang bola. Benitez. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 13. Binigay kay number 16. Glock 9 for 2 points. Number 7, Ocheta. Big shot. Sumalaksak. Jump shot. No good. Only number 11. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Palcute.
12 cute sila.
Number 13. Jump shot. No good. Only number 16. Black 9. Dribble the ball. Number 13. For 2 points. Easy 2 points. Remaining time as 1 minute and 52 seconds. Score 2-20 in favor of Titans team. Number 3, Alipiado, jump shot no good. Nakuha ni number 3, Pass to number 13, Tabuada, aka Black Knight. Outside, Vipers team ball.
Hindi niya raw kayang tanggapin.
Submission, rep. Inbound number 28, pass to number 27, pass to number 3, Aliviado. Aliviado dribble the ball. Back to pass to number 7, pass to number 24, outside. Titans team ball. Inbound. Number 13, pass to number 13, Benitez. Binabala ang bola. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. Number 3, look good. On the number 7, pass to number 3, Aliviado. Aliviado, jump shot for 2 points by number 3, Aliviado. Binabala ang bola ni number 30, Benitez. Benitez, dribble the ball. Last 38 seconds. Oh, foul, offensive foul. Number 11. First personal foul.
Substitution, rep.
Remaining time, last 37 seconds. The score for 20. Lamang pa rin po ang Titans team. Pacheta dribble the ball. Nabitawan, nagawa ni number 3, Aliviado. Aliviado, turn to shoot. Pass to number 27, jump shot for 2 points. Last 15 seconds. Benitez. Oh, wobbling violation. Yan ang atang tawag ng ating official referee. Remaining time, last 12 seconds. Ano? Time out?
Sarap nagmumura yung
So, okay, inbound. Number 11, pass to number 3. 8 seconds. Jump shot in number 7, no good. One in number 30, Benitez. The end of the first quarter. Para hindi po tayo ma-technical, lagi mo lang tatandaan, tuck in. Ayan.
good position.
Okay, back to the ball game. Inbound. Inbound, number 11, pass to number 3. Number 3, Aliviado. Mayroon ang number 11 ang bola. Naipasa kay number 14 ng Titans team. Foul Kutila. Foul counted by number 13. Who's foul rep? Number 6 down. Number 3.
Wala naman 6 dun ah. Gago, lang si 3 nga. Kasi? Hindi, walang 6 sa ano. Wala 6 doon. 3, alam ko meron. 3.
Number 3.
Nalito na rin si Badan.
No good. Sorry, number 3. Sinaman, no good. O pa rin ang Titans team ang bola. Number 6, pass through. Robbery violation.
Yan ako rin number 3.
Number, pinasa ka number 39. No good. Okay, release back. Wala pa rin yung Vipers team. Ang bola pa si number 24 rin naman. Foul, foul, Karen. Who's foul, right? Number 3. First personal foul, first team foul. One shot front row. No good. Alimpiado, nakakuha ng bola ay pinasa ng number 11. Number 11, pass to number 3. Alimpiado, jump shot. No good. Bola ng number 3 ng Titan State. Oh, save ball. By first team ball. Inbound number 3, Alimpiado. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 39, Busia. Jump shot. No good. Only number 30, Jesus. Robbery violation. By first team ball. Number 24, jump shot. No good. Only number 6, the Titan Steel. Pass to number 30, Benitez. Binababa ang bola. Benitez, move the ball. Pass to number 3. Oh, robbery violation. Substitution, red.
Substitution, red. Yeah, inbound.
Number 11, pass to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 24. Jump shot, no good. Only number 25. Number 25, pass to number 13. Pag-kill sila. Still, the number 15. Pass to number 15. Oh, foul. Foul number 3. Second, personal foul. Second team foul. No good. That's one shot to control. Last one shot to control. No good again. Ang mga pwede number 25 na bola pinira for 3 points. Inbound number 3. Pass to number 13. Benitez. Binabala ang bola. Jump shot. No good. Same ball. Titans still ball. Remaining time of 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Score 10-22 in favor of Titans still. Number 6, Malaka. Malaka dyan for 2 points. Malaka dyan. Number 15, pass to number 11. Number 11, pass to number 29. Jump shot. No good. Titans still ball. Number 3, pass to number 30, Benitez. Benitez, pinamala ang bola. Benitez, dribble the ball. Pass to number 6, Malaka dyan. Malaka dyan for 3 points. Malaka dyan. Number 15, pinamala ang bola. Valenzuela. Dinerecho pa ang aksyon. No good. Only number 3, Titans team, ang bola. Pass to number 25, pass to number 30, Benitez. Benitez. Pass to number 13, for 2 points. Remaining time. Time out. Vipers Steel. Dahil sa ball game na po tayo, mga kapisa. Inbound. Number 15. Pass to number 27, back to number 15. Number 15, binababa ng bola. Number 15, Valenzuela, sumalaksak ng Pinasa. Titans team ball. Last touch ni number 25. Number 13, binaba ng bola. Pass to number 19. Entry! Number 25, Joseph Jack by number 7. Pass to number 24, Viper Steel. Pass to number 25. Number 25, ipinilik kay number 24 ang bola. Itinira, no good. Number 25 rin, follow up for 2 points. By number 25. Number 19, binaba ng bola. Henry, jump shot. No good. Nawala ni number 24 ng Viper Steel. Rizali, pass to number 25, tinira no good. Nakuha pa rin ng number 24, pass to number 25, tinira ulit for 2 points. By number 25, alone. Number 13, dribble the ball. Number 13. Diretso, nakakuha ng foul kay number 16. 16 ba yung number? 16 pa rin. 15? 15. Ano? First personal foul, second team foul. Ang gulo, di ba? Inbound number 7, pass to number 19, Kendry. Kendry, dribble the ball. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 15. Valenzuela, pass to number 24, Rizali for 2 points. Rebound number 18, pass to number 37. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Sumalaksa. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin yung number 7 ang bola. Binigay yung number 37. Nabawa ng foul. Who's foul, right? Number 25. First personal foul, third team foul. Remaining time was 3 minutes and 19 seconds. The score is 16-29 or 16-30 in favor of Titans team. That's one shot to front row. No good. Rebound by number 15, pass to number 7, Ocheta. Ocheta, pass to number 27, Ramos, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 1, Ubahi, pass to number 19, Kendry. Kendry, with a foul. Number 7, first personal foul, warning to penalty. Inbound number 18, pass to number 7, Gallardo. Gallardo, pass to number 1, pinaligan number 19, Kendry jump shot. For 3 points. By number 19, Kendry. Number 24, pushing foul. Who's foul? Number 37. Number 37, first personal foul, third team foul. Inbound number 25, pass to number 24, jump shot. For 3! By number 24, Rizali. Number 7, Gallardo. Binaba ng bola. Gallardo, dribble the ball. Pinigay number 37. Number 47, Pineda. Pineda no good. Nakuha pa rin ni Pineda ang bola. Outside, Butler team ball. Remaining time was 1 minute and 40 seconds. Score 19-33. Yan, pinangarap. Number 15. Nakapik ang bola. Nakuli number 1, Hawaii. Pass to number 19, Kendry. Binigay number 7, Gallardo for 2 points. By number 7, Gallardo. Number 24, Rizali, dribble the ball. Pass to number 15, Valenzuela, jump shot. No good. Rebound to number 1, Hubahi. Passing to number 19, Kendry. Kendry. Pass to number 7, Gallego for 2 points. That's 1 minute. 1 minute. Oh yeah, 1 minute. Number 7, binaba ng bola. Pass to number 15, Valenzuela. Hinira, no good. Same ball. That's 48 seconds. Number 27, pass to number 7, Ocheta. No good. Ang tirang start. Number 25 for 2 points. By number 25. Kalapaw lang ang tumatanda mga kapisa. Number 35. Ay, number 35. Last 30 seconds. Number 1, jump shot, Hubahi. No good. No good. Rebound by number 11. Oh! 3 seconds violation. By first team ball. Remaining time is 20 seconds. Rebound! Number 15, pass to number 3, Rosari. Rosari takes the ball. Left 15 seconds. Pass to number 25, down to number 27. Save! Ball.
Ileman na nga lahat. Ileman.
Last 12 seconds.
Sila magkasama ni William.
Remaining time is 12 seconds. Number 27, jump shot, no good. Ako ni number 7 na bola, Titan Steel. Gallardo. Diniretso pa ang aksyon. No good. Ako ni number 90, Gantry. Jump shot. By number 19, Gantry. Pahingi ko din patingin mo. Okay, half-time break na. Magkabalik agad. Alis lang. Okay, inbound number 16, Glockner. Pass to number 14, Benitez. Bigay ka number 5, pump shot. No good. Nakuha ng 5 steal ni number 8. Pass to number 15. Valenzuela, pass to number 3, Olimpiado. Olimpiado, take the ball. Olimpiado. 6 to shoot. Oh, foul. Number 16. Tabuana. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 3, Olimpiado. Ito na sa ilalim. Oh, foul. Number 5. Number 5, first personal foul, second team foul. Number 15, Valenzuela, dribble the ball. Clear to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Kawali number 2, Olimpiado. Inangat. No good again. Nawala naman ng testing pa rin ang bola. Pass to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 3, Olimpiado. Jump shot. For 3 points. By number 3, Olimpiado. Binabana ni number 14 ang bola, pass to number 30, Benitez, back to number 38, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 15, oh foul. Number 5, second personal foul, third team foul. Valenzuela, pass to number 8, you're running, pass to number 3, Olimpiado, dribble the ball. There's the shot. Back to number 15, Valenzuela. 6 to shoot. Jump shot, no good. Wala lang yung number 5, ng Titans team. Pass to number 1, Mark Hubahi. 30 points. He's the layup. Number 8, pass to number 3. Olimpiado, dribble the ball. Pinabala ang bola. Number 3, pass to number 15, Valenzuela. Valenzuela, pass to number 8, you're running. There's the shot. Number 3, Olimpiado, jump shot, no good. Only number 14 ang bola. Number 14, pinili pa ang action for 2 points by number 13, Palchutila. Number 15, Valenzuela. Bumaba ang bola. Valenzuela, sumalaksak. Jump. Single. Rebound number. Good pass to number. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 16. Black line for 3 points. Number 16. Okay, inbound. Number 8, pass to number 3, Olimpiado. Olimpiado. Wala ko pa sana kasi Cheta, number 7. Number 7, steal by number 5, pass to number 30, Benitez. Benitez, the layup, no good. Nakuha ni Black 9 for 2 points. By number 16, Glockner, Tabuada. Number 7, Cheta. Sumalaksak. Sinira for 2 points by number 7, Ocheta. Number 30, Benitez, binaba ng bola. Pass to number 1, Hubahim. Pass to number 16. Back to number 1, Brandon Shearer. Number 1, Hubahim, Sanchez. No good. Rebound to number 5, Sinira, no good. Naribang na ng Vipers team ni number 24 ang bola, Rizari. Istil pero yun, nabuha pa rin. Ay pasa kay number 13 ng Titans team. Number 30, jump shot. Oh, follow pala kay Mark Hubahim for 2 points. By number 1, Hubahim. Remaining time just 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Score 50-25 in favor of Titans team. Number 24, Rizari, no good to clear the spot. Nakuha ni number 5 ang bola ng Titans team. Pass to number 30, Benitez for 2 points. Inbound number 8, pass to number 3, Alipiado. Yan. Alipiado, pass to number 24, Rizari. Ina nga, for 2 points. Number 30, pass to number 13, no good. Kuha pa rin ni number 13 ang bola. Number 30, Sinira, for 2 points. Number 3, Alipiado. Generate na, no good. Follow to number 24 for 2 points by number 24, Rizari. Number 14, Pag-kill sila. Pass to number 16. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 16. Black man. Tabuada. Number 8. Yorani. Pass to number, still the number 5. Ng Titans team. Number 5. Pass to number 1. Hubahim for 2 points. By Mike Hubahim. Pass to number 3. Still by number 5. Titans still. Number 5. Berba ng bola. Anti-puesto for Loki. Number 3. Pass to number 7. Ocheta. Sinigay number 25. Loki with the tirang staff. Berba by number 13. Pass to number 13. Benitez. Hindi na abutan ni number 5. Outside.
Substitution, ref. Substitution.
Vipers team ball. Inbound! Inbound number 39, pass to number 3. Number 3, pass to number 7, Ocheta. Ocheta, flip the ball. Pass to number 39, take shot. That's the number 85. Titans team ball. Inbound, number 3, Titans team. Pass to number 19, Cagray. Cagray, binababa na ang bola.
Nag-orange pa rin.
Pass to number 1, binibigay number 25. Umikot pa, no good. Ako ni number 25 ng Vipers team, pass to number 24, Rizari. Rizari, jump shot. No good. Titans team ball. Remaining time was 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Score 50-29 in favor pa rin ng Titans team. Number 18, Cagray, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 25. Pass to number 7. Number 7, Ocheta. Bitawan ng bola. Nahuli number 25 ng Titans team. Pass to number 1. Back. Oh, pinasa kay number 19. Cagray. No good. Ang tirang isa. Nakuha ni number 25 ng Vipers team. Pass to number 3. Alipiado. Alipiado. Steal. Pero nakuha pa rin ang kakampinya ng number 7. Ocheta. Jump shot. No good. Outside. Team ball. Vipers team ball. Number 24, Rizari. Pass to number 3. No good. Ang tirang spot. Move on to number 2. Pass to number 18. Cagray. Pass to number 6. Wala ka dyan. No good. Ang tirang start. Vipers team ball. Wala ka dyan. Hirap niya. Number 21 inbound. Pass to number 7, Ocheta. Ocheta. Jump shot. No good. Wala lang sa title steal ang bola ni number 3. Oh, nakuha pa rin ni number 3 ang bola, Espinosa. Lahat ng papasahan. Ito sa number 19, Henry. Kamaya ba? Number 3, Espinosa. Pass to number 6. Wala ka dyan! No good. Ang tira is back. That's 1 minute and 30 seconds. Number 3, Alviano. Oh, foul.
Substitution, ref. Substitution.
Who's foul? Number 25, first personal foul. Warning to penalty. Finishes the bathroom. No good. That's one shot to Belgrade. 1 point mula sa Belgrade number 3, Alviano. Rebound number 3, pass to number 15, 19, pass to number 6, Malaka. Malaka, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 25. Nakuha pa rin niya number 25, pass to number 27, Pineda. Pineda, number 27, pass to number 18. 28, jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin niya number 3 ang bola, Espinosa. Natapik ang bola. Single. Remaining time na 43 seconds. Score 60-30. In favor pa rin ng Titans team. Malaka, no good. One number 11 ng Vipers team. Pass to number 24, Rizari. Rizari. Foul. Number 37. Penalty. So for number 37, about personal foul. Penalty. 1 point mula sa birang Paltro ni number 24, Rizari. That's one shot to Paltro. No good. Rebound by number 3, Espinosa. Pass to number 19, Kendry. Kendry. Pass to number 25, Cabrera. Pinigay kay number 6, Malaka. Malaka dyan. No good. That's the right spot. Last 20 seconds. Number 3, Alviano. That's 15 seconds. Alviano jump shot for 2 points. That's 10 seconds. Number 47, pass to number 19, Kendry, dribble the ball. Jump shot. No good. The end of the third. Inbound number 8, pass to number 15, Valenzuela. Valenzuela, pass to number 25. Number 25, still, pero yun, outside. Titans team ball. Titans team ball. Inbound number 25, pass to number 30, Benitez. Benitez, pass to number 27. Number 27, inangat, pero struggling violation. Vipers team ball. Intent, number 8, pass to number 15. Valenzuela, back to number 8. Number 8, pass to number 24, Rizari. Nabitawan ng bola. Nakuha na ni number 7. Number 7. Gallardo, pass to number 11. Inangat, no good. Number 27, Pineda for 2 points. Rebound number 15, pass to number 24, Rizari. Pass to number 25. No good. Nakapiga bola, nakuha ni number 27. Nag-title straight, pass to number 14. Benitez, binigay kay number 7, Gallardo. Back to number 30. Turn to shoot. Number 25, jump shot for 2 points by number 25. Number 15, Valenzuela, jump shot. No good. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 25. Second personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots to Hunter. One point. Mula sa tirang Paltrow, number 15, Valenzuela. That's 1 shot to Paltrow. Liverpool. Titans team ball. Number 30, Benitez. Pass to number 11. Number 11, Pascual. Bitawan ng bola. Butters, team ball. Next game natin ay susunod na. Nasa 7, Ocheta. Pass to number 25. Binigay kay number 24, Rizari. Rizari. Pinasa kay number 8. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 37, pass to number 7. Gallardo, binigay kay number 30, Benitez. Benitez, jump shot for 2 points. Rebound number 15, pass to number 7. Ocheta. Ocheta, binigay kay number 2 sa Titans team, kay number 7, Gallardo. Gallardo, dribble the ball. Generate na for 2 points. Remaining time is 6 minutes and 52 seconds to score. 68-34 in favor of Titans team. No good. Ang tirang ispat. Nakuha pa rin yung number 7 ng bola. Ocheta. Domingo. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 37 ng Titans team. Pass to number 25. Cabrera. Nakuha ni number 30. Benitez. Benitez. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 7. Binigay number 25. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin number 15, nakakuha ng foul kay number 11.
Substitution rep. Time out. Vipers team.
First personal foul, first team foul. Okay, inbound. Number 27, pass to number 15, Valenzuela. Valenzuela, dribble the ball. Back, pass to number 3. Pass to number 24, Rizari, jump shot for 2 points. Number 7, pass to number 13. Number 30, Benitez. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 30, Benitez, dribble the ball. Oh, outside. Kick ball, Vipers team ball. Inbound, number 27, pass to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 3, Olimpiado. Dribble ang bola. Olimpiado. Back. Still, by number 7, pass to number 30, outside team ball.
Substitution, ref. Substitution.
Inbound, number 7, pass to number 13. Pass to number 5, Anton Puerto. Sumalaksak. Ilaman. Nakuha ni number 3, Espinosa. Jump shot for 2 points! Inbound, number 15, pass to number 27, back to number 15. Pass to number 3, Alciano. Oh, outside. Titans team ball. Remaining time is 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Yung score natin ay 70-36. Lamang na lamang pa po ang Titans team. Excuse me po. Number 7, Gallardo. Sumalaksak, number 10 na shot, no good. Kung number 11, Pascual, no good. Nakawala na ni number 14, ay pasa kay number 5. Ante Puesto, pinasa kay number 3, Espinosa, jump shot for 2 points. Espinosa, number 3. Binababa ang bola ni number 15, Valenzuela. Valenzuela, pass to number 24, Rizari. Rizari, nakakuha ng foul. Number 5. Number 5, first personal foul, second team foul. 1 point. Mula sa tilang control ni number 24, Rizari. Last 1 shot sa control. 1 point again. Inbound, number 3, Espinosa, pass to number 14. Number 13, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 7, Gallardo. Gallardo, jump shot. No good. Tapos ang bola, Vipers team ball.
Substitution, ref.
Yung sa lahat po ng sasab, dapat daw po nakangiti para may pasok agad.
Number 15, Valenzuela. Valenzuela dribble the ball. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 27 outside. Same ball. Number 7, no good. Number 3, Espinosa. Binaba na ang bola. Espinosa, nakakuha ng foul kay number 3, Olimpiado. Olimpiado, second personal foul, second team foul. Inbound, number 7, pass to number 5, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 3 ang bola, Olimpiado, ng Vipers team ball. Same ball. Same ball. Inbound, number 15. Wait lang po. Number 24, jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 24 ang bola. Rizari. Punta na sa ilalim. Continue for 2 points.
Dead ball. Dead ball din.
Number 5. Binaba na ang bola. Titans team, Anton Puesto. Number 5, pass to number 11. Number 11, inamat ang bola. Pinila for 2 points. Inbound number 27, pass to number 15, Valenzuela. Binaba na ang bola. Valenzuela, generation na. Foul. Substitution rep, number 7. Second personal foul, 13 foul.
Hindi kayo nakangiti. Kaya ang tagal nyo dyan.
1 point mula sa tirang punch roll ni number 15, Valenzuela. Last one shot to punch roll. No good. Rebound by number 3. Pass to number 5. Number 5 on the threshold. Pass to number 27. Oh, robbery violation.
41.
Remaining time is 1 minute and 51 seconds is still 74-41. Napagpaglalamang pa rin po ang Titan Speed. Yan, nakuha ni number 6, Malaka. Malaka, pinasa kay number 5, anti-presto. Pass to number 25, Cabrera, inaman! No goal! Kapig na. Kuha na ni number 25 ng Piper State. Pass to number 3, Alipiado, binigay kay number 24, Rizari. Nilayap, no good. Rebound by number 6, Malaka, pass to number 37. Number 37, is still by number 25 ng Piper State. Pass to number 3, Alipiado, jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin yung number 25 ng Piper State. Number 3. Still si number 5. Oh, anong tawag? Number 5. Offensive. Foul. Number 5. Warning to foul out. Last 1 minute and 7 seconds. Number 24, Rizari. Nakuha niya pa rin ng wala. Naipasa kay number 27, pasa number 8. Number 8, pasa number 27, Junction, no good. Espinosa, number 2, Rubén. Last 15 seconds. Pass to number 25, Cabrera. Cabrera. Pass to number 6, Malaka dyan. Junction, no good. Nakuha ni number 15. Valenzuela, pass to number 35. No good. Ang tilang isa. Last 30 seconds. Pass to Espinosa kay number 27. Pineda, Junction, no good. Pineda again. No good again. Last 20 seconds. Number 25, pass to number 3. Black. Last 12 seconds. Kaya pa yan, sabi ko mga oras. Number 24, Rizari, no good. Number 2, the jump shot, foul, counted! Number 3, Espinosa, last 5 seconds. Number 3, Espinosa, third personal foul, warning to penalty. No good. Nakuha ni Malaka. 3, 2, 1! Happy New Year, mga kapisa! The end of the first game in the winner is Titan Steel. Next game po natin ay susunod na. Be ready.
Ano mo ko'y patron?
Kaya,